In this video we will talk about the compressor tripping issue. Sometime our compressor is tripping or making noise, or if outside weather is too hot, so our compressor is automatically keep tripping. But if there is weather normal, the aircon running perfectly, and then it's very cold. But when weather is too hot, our compressor is automatically trip, and then we cannot feel cold. So how we can solve this problem? We go to the outdoor and then check our outdoor first. As you can see, this one is the grey outdoor. We open all the screws and then we check. Sometime it happens because the hot weather, and then also sometime our fan speed is low, that's why the heating of condenser is not going out, that's why also it become tripping issue. And then sometime the overload gas or less gas also it's tripping causes because this aircon. So we need to find a solution how we can do our best to not making the tripping issue. And then sometime the capacitor issues, sometime the capacitor of the fan, or sometime the capacitor of the compressor, because the capacitor of the fan also if spoil, the fan speed become low. And then the sometime the big capacitor also it's starting capacitor to start the compressor. So if there is any fault, so the compressor will not start perfectly, that is also causes the tripping issue. Now if we check the pipes, it's not getting cold because the compressor is not running perfectly, because not yet compressor start, but the fan is running. As you can see, I touched the pipes, but there is no any cold because our compressor is not yet run. The main reason, I saw the compressor, you can see the cable losing here and then sparking something, because this one is the starting of the capacitor. As you can see, the white cable is go to the starting of the compressor, because this capacitor helps to start the compressor. So before we touch the cables, we need to off the electric source of the air condition, because if there is any short circuit, you need to off before you touch the cables. Now I try to fix the cable, because this cable clip I think loose, so I just faster try to repair or try to rearrange this cable to fix my aircon. So hope I can do it. Now it's done the cable clip, and then check ready the starting and running cable, also the compressor. Now I try to turn on the power socket from the main source of the air condition, and then let's see it's running compressor or no. As you can see, now our compressor is running perfectly. But I recommend you to, if your aircon is in the hot place or on the roof, and then sun is directly on your outdoor, so try to fix the temporary sunlight cover or sun shade for your aircon to cover your aircon perfectly, to sun is not directly giving the heat to your outdoor, so it's become normal temperature. As you can see, I fixed some old cloth on the top, and then I keep some plywood or something to cover my outdoor to not getting heat, and then it's running perfectly, working perfectly, and then my aircon is running very nice, and then the always not tripping issue. If you cannot get any solution, you just try to cover your outdoor and then try it. If there is any more issues, you need to contact the aircon tech. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. Let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.